Hey my dear students, what's up? I hope you are pretty well. Welcome to this exclusive lecture. In this one video, I am going to show you how to create many kinds of t-shirt design by using Canva template. So without any further delay, let's get started. Right now, to make our t-shirt design, firstly we have to open t-shirt template, right? Look at, now we are in the Canva design dashboard. So at the time I will search t-shirt template in this box. Simply follow the process carefully. Look at, this is our targeted template. I am just opening it. After searching, you will get lots of t-shirt design like this. You can pick any of them from here as your wish. Okay, at the moment I am picking this one. Just click here. After picking, you will get this types of interface. That is Canva template interface. Now you can modify this design whatever you want. Please follow attentively. Here we are seeing Canva watermark, right? That's mean it's paid template. So to use this template you have to pay, or you have to use Canva Pro version. But if you do some modification, that time you can use it very easily. Alright, I am doing some modification, just see it. I choose this image, then click right button of my mouse and hit on delete. At the time you can add anything in this design. For example, you can add an icon, or you can add an image, or you can add a shape. Also you can add a vector file. Suppose right now I want to add a vector file. That's why I am going to Pixabay website. Now write your targeted keyword in this box like this. Suppose our need global base vector. That's why I write it. After that, click here and select vector graphic. Look at, after searching you will get lots of results like this. Now you can choose any of them whatever you want. Suppose I like this one, that's why I just open it. Now you have to download it, and before downloading check the license. Pixabay license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. You know that Pixabay is a great site for getting free collection, and I already told you about this website in the previous section. Okay, now I am hitting on free download. Then you can choose any resolution as your wish and pick download. Look at, the download has been done. Now I will add it in our design. Just follow the process carefully. Now you have to upload that in Canva. So I am clicking on upload. Then pick upload an image or video. At the moment select your targeted file from your destination like this. Then open. Yes, it has been uploaded. Now I just click here. After that, set it as your wish like this. I am setting. At the same time you can change other thing, as like you can change text, you can change background image, and also you can change the shape. Now I simply hit on shape block like this. Then I choose color. Actually I want to change the shape color, that's why I click red, or you can choose anything from here. Suppose I like this one or this one. Yes, the color is cool because the color has been matched with this design. Finally, look the whole design, guys. It's simply cool, right? Now you can use this design on your t-shirt without hesitation. Okay, finally I will download it. That's why I click here and choose download. Then select your targeted type from here as your wish, and at the end hit on download. Absolutely, it has been done. Look the design. Did you get it, guys? Okay, now I'm closing it. Then again close this one. Alright, at the same time I will create a new design in our own way. For that purpose I am hitting on add a new page. think so right now I need white background. That's why I click here. Then choose this one. Suppose right now I want to make a rose based t-shirt design. That's why firstly I will take an icon of rose. For that I am clicking on elements like this. Now choose rose. And enter. Please say after searching you will get bunch of icon. But all are not free. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. Look at this is free. And it's paid. This image can be purchased for only $1. Can you get the point, guys? So now I will choose a free one. Just follow the process carefully. Suppose I like this one. And at the same time I will choose another one. Just follow. Suppose also I like this one. For that purpose just click here. Then set it as your wish. Then click this one and set it also here. Now look the design, guys. I have set them as my wish. Okay, now I will write some text. For that hit on text and choose add a heading. Now I will write flower of beauty of nature. Now I want to set it as my wish. Just follow the process carefully. Currently I will select all text by clicking Ctrl A. Then choose the size. At the time I will select 96 or you can choose 104. Then again set it. At the end I want to download the design. So now I will delete the design. Just click here and delete it. Then hit on here and choose download and select your type and press download. Yes, at the time I am opening it for testing. Wow, it's look pretty cool, right? Therefore, my dear students, I believe in this way you can easily create lots of design as your wish. Okay, finally I want to share you some more effective tips and tricks. Just follow the process carefully. I am closing it. Recently I will choose template. Look at, as usual there are lots of template available. You can use any of them as your wish. But I will recommend you don't use any template directly. You should some change. Because you know in this world many non-designer available. They will use them directly. Owing to the fact that they don't have enough knowledge about design. And maybe they don't have enough time to create something new. So you should make something new in your own way. Suppose at the time you want to make cat related design. For that reason you can create it in your own way like me. Or if you don't have enough time, that period you just simply write here in this box. That's mean template box cat. I'm writing. Just follow the process carefully. Then enter. Look at, there are lots of cat related design available, right? Now you can choose any of them as your wish. Suppose you can choose this one. I want to paste the design, add as new page. Now you can edit the design as your wish. Or you want to make gym related t-shirt design, that is you just simply search here gym like this and enter. Currently you can choose gym related template from here. Now you can edit this design as your wish. Suppose at the time for the design I want to add a background image. That's why I'm clicking on more, then choose pixels, then search gym and enter. Look at, after searching you will get lots of results. Now you can choose any of them as your wish. Suppose I like this one. That's why I just click here and drag and drop it in here. Now look the design, guys. Or you can check another one. Suppose I like this one. Look at, I think this is pretty cool, right? So my dear students, I believe you can get all the point pretty nicely, owing to the fact that I tried to clear all the things step by step very easily. Actually design is all about creativity and obviously it will depend on your practice. So have more practice for the best result. And if you want to learn more thing about t-shirt design, that time you can check my other t-shirt design related course. Because that period I believe you will get more practical knowledge and definitely you can be boss about t-shirt design. Thank you my dear students for staying with me. All the best for you.